Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our online classes. At present, I am in 9th standard social study class. In a previous class, we already started the new lesson in geography. So, in that, what is the name of the geography lesson here? Physiographic divisions of Karnataka. We already understand three major physiographic divisions of Karnataka in previous class. That is the first one. The coastal plain we already completed in the previous class. Now it is the time to understand the Malnad region. The Malnad region. Here, just you have to ready with a pen and a notebook. What I am telling to you, the precious information you should note it down there. The very first point, the Western Ghats in our state are referred to as Malnad or the land of hills. So here the Malnad region, it is also considered as the land of hills. So it is considered as land of hills. Okay. So it is mainly we have to understand the Western Ghats. The next point is there. They are also called Sahyadris. We have also called this Western Ghats Sahyadris. The next one, Malnad runs. Malnad runs parallel to the coastline from the north to south. One more point I will now I have to tell, that is here Malnad region runs parallel to the coastal line from north direction to south direction. The next point, they have steep terrace like slopes in the west and gentle slope in the west. Hence, they are called ghats. How many ghats are there? Only one ghat is there, that is Western Ghat. In that Western Ghat, we have to understand that point. And one more, they are 650 kilometers. They are 650 kilometers in the length. What is the length of the Karnataka Malnad region? It is a 650 kilometers in length, 50 to 76 kilometers its width. The Malnad region length is 650. Okay, it is the length. What is the width of? How much width of the Malnad region of Karnataka? 50 to 76. Understand? The next point we have to understand the height. Height ranges from 900 to 1500. Here I already said that the Malnad region is considered as the land of hills. Why? Because so many hills are there. Those hills height, the height ranges from the 900 to 1500. So this is the third point. The next point here, the heavy rainfall, it is considered as a very heavy rainfall area. Annually 200 centimeters annual rainfall fallen there. So it is a basic information about the Malnad region. The next point we have to understand the highest peaks. We have to understand from this concept here. That is the first one, Mullayanagiri, Kudremukha and Kalahattaragi. The next, Rudragiri and Devarammana Gudda. These are the major hills of the Western Ghats of the Malnad region of Karnataka. Okay. The next point we have to understand all these peaks in Chikmagalur district. How many hills are there in Chikmagalur district? The very first one, Mullayanagiri, Kudremukha, Kalahattaragi and Rudragiri, and finally Devarammana Gudda. These are all hills located in Chikmagalur district. The next one, other peaks of Malnad region are Ballarayana Durga and Merti Gudda and Pushpagiri and Kodachadri. Rest of other peaks of the Malnad region of Karnataka are the very first one in that Ballarayana and the second one Merti Gudda, the next one Pushpagiri, and finally Kodachadri. These are the prominent peaks of the Malnad region. The next point we have to understand, that is the routes from the eastern plains of Karnataka to the coastal plains across the western Ghats are called the mountain passes. Once again I repeat that what is the meaning of mountain passes? Here the routes from the western plains of Karnataka to the coastal plains across the western Ghats are called the mountain passes. Here the important mountain passes are there. The Malnad region has 4 important mountain passes. The very first one in that Charmudi Ghat. Charmudi Ghat, it links Mangalore and Chikmagalur. Okay, the second one Shirati Ghat, it links Hassan to Sakaleshpura and Mangalore. And Agumbe Ghat, it links Shivamogga and Udupi. And finally Hulikal Ghat, it links Shivamogga and Kundapura. So how many mountain passes are there in the Malnad region of Karnataka? The Malnad region of Karnataka has four major mountain passes. One is Charmudi Ghat, second one is Shirdi Ghat, and third one is Agumbe Ghat, and fourth and finally that is Hulikal Ghat. And one more point we have to understand here, it is the birthplace of many rivers. So Malnad region of Karnataka, it is a place, so many rivers are birth here. Here they pass down the steep slope from wonderful waterfalls. Here the very first one is the Jog Falls. It is the Jog Falls is the highest waterfall in India. So, and one more point we have to understand, the other prominent waterfalls, Unchalli waterfall, Magod waterfalls, Gokak waterfalls, these are the important waterfalls of the Malnad region. Once again I repeat that, Jog Falls and Unchalli Falls, Magod Falls and Gokak Falls, these are the important waterfalls of the Malnad region. The next point is that what are the prominent crops are there? Here the first point, important crops are there: coffee, tea, rubber plantations. These are the important, and along with the spices, these are the important crops in that Malnad region of Karnataka. They are growing. The next point we have to understand, it is a very noted point we have to understand here. First point, coffee is grown widely in Chikmagalur, so it is called the land of coffee. Chikmagalur district we have to consider as it is the land of coffee. Why? Because there is a reason. What is the main reason? Coffee is grown widely in Chikmagaluru district, that's why it is considered as the land of coffee. And Kodagu district is known as the Kashmir of Karnataka. Kodagu district is considered as the Kashmir of Karnataka because of its cool weather, as oranges are grown abundantly in Kodagu district. That's why Kodagu district is considered as Kashmir of Karnataka, and it is also referred to as the land of oranges. It is Kodagu district also referred as the land of oranges. At present, Malnad has been identified as biodiversity zone. Here, Malnad region of Karnataka, it is also considered or identified as a biodiversity zone and protected so many animals there. Prominent Malnad district, Malnad regions districts of Karnataka here. The first one Hassan, Kodagu, Shivamogga and Chikmagalur are the prominent districts of the Malnad region of Karnataka. So this is the information we have to understand from this period. In the next period, we have to understand the last and final one, that is the Maidan region of Karnataka. Okay, thank you.